and welcome to another Mario Party 6 minigame review! Last time, we reviewed Stage Fright. It was close to 4 stars, fell to 3 though. However, I'll take something that is higher on the 3-star margin than on the lower side of it. Heh, that's nice. Let's see if we can continue this 6-long streak with our first battle minigame since Insectoride, Stamp by Me. So let's get to the review, shall we? So here's how you play this minigame. You and the other 4 players are right by 2 conveyors, that one moving fast, one moving slow, and stamps are coming on your way. Your job is to stamp as many as you can in the 30-second time period. Press B to go on the left conveyor, and press A to stamp on the right. And yeah, that's basically it. It's a pretty simple minigame for what it is, yet it pretty much does a pretty good job of just executing things. It's the fact that one conveyor moves faster than the other, which really has to make you strategize on really how you're supposed to hit each one. It can also be a pretty intense challenge if you don't know which conveyor to go on to first. For me, I'd recommend going on the one that goes faster. Most of the time that's the left conveyor, which kind of ruins a bit tension because the fact that it's more likely to be one than the other, which kind of makes it easy to predict the pattern. Yeah, basically you just go for the left one and the right one. Unless there's one on the right that's coming before one on the left. It also is the fact that they go pretty fast. You gotta have some intense timing with this if you want to do pretty well with this one. And it perfectly fits for a battle minigame. One that's not too complex, but never overstays its welcome. Just a simple inclusion into the Mario Party roster for this game. And yeah, out of 78, so it kind of fits in there with all those minigames. I wish I could have more to say about this one, and I actually kind of wish it was brought into Mario Party Superstars. But, it's too late to change that. Yeah, maybe potentially another, switch to Mario Party. Yeah, it's just basically simple minigame, just stamping stuff as fast as possible. And as much as possible. Yeah, it's a pretty... Yeah, I wish I had more to say. It's just that... it really wouldn't be too memorable of a minigame compared to others. But yeah, very sorry if I've been running short on words recently. But yeah, I just don't have too much to say about this one. So let's get to the overall thoughts. Right now! Overall, it's a pretty good minigame. All it is just trying to stamp things as fast as possible. Yeah, it also does a creative idea with the fact that basically one conveyor is faster than the other, which really has to make you strategize on which one to go for. It could pretty much potentially just really give you a big challenge to work with. And I like that. Something that gives me a challenge that requires skill, I'll take it. Not really too much to say about this minigame overall, but it's good for what I got. I'll give it 4 stars. Well, that's it for today. Up next, we're going to be reviewing Strawberry Short Fuse. See you guys then. I'm sorry I ran out of ending, so just end it now!